So this morning we're heading down to Ellijay to do a courtesy aircraft inspection for a fellow EAA member that's building a Thorp S-18. EAA is Experimental Aircraft Association. I'm a tech counselor for EAA and have been for about 20 years, since I have the experience of building and working on several experimental aircraft. So we're going to go down and do a courtesy inspection. Actually, he's going to try to do the first startup of the engine today. We got Ken going along and a fellow EAA member. So we've arrived at Frank's homestead here, and he's got a nice little workshop here.
Look over the engine, you know, and all the stuff that's there. I still have to wrap between the air filter and the servo. See, there's a gap there.
So this is Frank, and this is his S-18 Thorp. Was not really called a Thorp, is it?
Yeah, it's a Thorp S-18, or I guess you could call it a Sunderland S-18.
Yeah.
But,
and he's worked on it for several years now, and it's coming along. What's the top speed on it, Frank?
it's up close to a couple hundred miles an hour.
200 miles an hour. And he's got a glass cockpit now. He's come a long way from the last time I inspected. It's looking good.
Come here! Dude!
Andy.
So you need to stick that on the bottom of that screwdriver. No, I've got the screwdriver stuck in there.
Oh, I can't even see
Easy to get to.
it. Well, you gotta consult the dummy that built this plane.
Okay, I got it.
You want me to wrap my end?
No, not yet.
Moving the plane out to get ready to fire up the engine.
You need to tie it to the power pole there.
What are you going to tie it to?
You move my truck out of here. How old does that pole look to you?
I think all 5 gallons. What do you think? Just let it drain out. Yeah.
But the tank is
Let this drain out. You got the valve shut off? All right, we're getting ready for the first run up. We got it tied to a telephone pole. Got chocks. And see what happens.
I've got the starting procedure here.
Want your checklist?
Pistol control, idle cutoff, throttle 1/8, master switch on. It is. Boost pump on for about 5 seconds. Check for leaks up there.
Boom.
Did you hear it pumping?
I did not hear a pump.
Didn't do it right. Pistol control to full wrench for 5 seconds.
Pump's on your side. That silver thing. This is just a filter.
It's on.
We have a pump.
Prop clear.
Let me check for leaks.
No ignition.
I can't tell if that's fuel or water. It might be condensation coming off. That's what it is, I bet. Off of that tube. Get over here where I am.
There.
That's how it should. I watched you shut it off like that.
So we helped Frank move it back in the garage workshop. And like most typical first run-ups on your project, there's probably one or two things that have to be addressed, fixed, and before you run it up again.